Welcome back to the channel, ladies. I'm DrPhoenyx, and today I'm going to be sharing 4 simple tips on how to drink lemon water the smart way. So if you're a fan of lemon water, you're drinking it now, or you plan on drinking it because you've heard of the ton health and beauty benefits of lemon water, this video is going to be very helpful to you. And if you've never heard about the benefits of drinking lemon water, there are quite a few. So respected sources like the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that some of the biggest benefits of drinking lemon water each day, so just adding a few slices of lemon to your water, it's as simple as that, can do things from boosting your hydration level, to promoting immune health, to helping your body flush out toxins, to even stimulating your metabolism and promoting weight loss. And then last but not least, lemon water, because it is so rich in vitamin C, and the vitamin C is coming from the lemons, it also helps boost collagen production in the body. So for those of you ladies who are looking for healthier skin, lemon water is great because our body actually needs vitamin C. It needs that nutrient in order for our body to produce collagen and protein. So those were a few benefits of drinking lemon water. Now, let's get into the 4 simple tips on how to drink lemon water the smart way. So tip number 1 is that you want to use at least 8 ounces of water. No matter how many lemon or how many slices of lemons you use, start off with 8 ounces of water to adequately dilute your lemon water, because lemons contain citric acid, and that can be very acidic for your teeth and for your body. So you want to get some water in there to help dilute that, and then drink the lemon water. Tip number 2 is to use a straw when you're drinking your lemon water. This is something maybe some of you are not doing. So depending on how frequently you drink lemon water, and then also how lemony your lemon water is. So if you're someone like me who actually kind of likes the acid taste of lemon water, you want to be careful about tooth enamel erosion. So the best way to kind of counteract this is to use a straw, because you're going to bypass your teeth as much as possible. And that's going to help protect the tooth enamel from being eroded from the citric acid from the lemons. Okay, so use a straw. Tip number 3 is that you want to make sure that after you drink your lemon water, you wait at least an hour. Okay, wait at least an hour before you brush your teeth. And the reason why you want to do this is because even if you use a straw, your tooth enamel is going to be a little bit softened from the citric acid from the lemons. So you want to give yourself some time for your tooth enamel to kind of, reharden a little bit, because it does harden and soften depending on what you eat. And then an hour later, when you do brush your teeth, you want to be very gentle with how you brush your teeth. Don't brush it too vigorously, but you want to brush your teeth because you want good breath and, oral hygiene. But be very, very mindful of waiting at least an hour, and then don't brush too vigorously after consuming your lemon water. And those were the 4 tips on how to drink lemon water the smart way. I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. If you did, drop down, give me a like, share your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know. Do you drink lemon water? Do you enjoy drinking lemon water? I personally drink lemon water every single day. I love it. It's part of my regimen. I actually feel off if I'm not drinking lemon water. I like the taste of lemon water. It's a little bit better than drinking just plain water, and then you get the ton of health and beauty benefits from your lemon water. So share down in the comments if you drink lemon water too. As always, ladies, it is my pleasure. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in another video very soon.